get discounted gas at Kroger or Albertsons or any of their affiliate stores. The easiest way to do this is buying gift cards from there, but you have to calculate your savings. So with my car, I can probably get 17 gallons is what I can fill up in one fill up. And how it works is for every $100 you spend, you get 10 cents off a gallon. But with gift cards, it's every $50 you spend, you get 10 cents off a gallon. And they do have deals where, like right now for Father's Day, it's every $25 you spend, you get 10 cents off. So you just have to calculate your savings. So if you're buying like restaurant gift cards, so basically for every $100 you're spending, you're getting 40 cents off a gallon. And since I get 18 gallons per fill up, that's $7.20. And then you can buy gift cards with credit cards, so you can get some cash back. With my credit card, I get 1.5% cash back. So basically I'm getting $8.70 for every $100 gift card I buy during that 4 times deal. During the deal where you get 10 cents off a gallon for every $25 gift card you buy. So you need to look on some discounted gift card websites to compare your savings, and that'll really show you how much you can save by buying gift cards at Kroger and other stores like that. This can also be a way to manufacture spend. So if you got a bonus for getting a new credit card, you can go to Kroger and buy Visa gift cards, and you can get Visa gift cards or any other gift card you want. Amazon gift card, eBay gift card, and you can use those gift cards. And say you buy a $500 Visa gift card, you can use that as manufacturer spend for those credit card bonuses. So if you need to spend $2,000 in the first 3 months that you have a credit card in order to get 50,000 miles or something, you can buy for 4 $500 gift cards from Kroger and also get the gas points and save money on gas, as well as hit your limits for those credit card bonuses.